नमस्कार। महाराजा गंगा सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी एमएससी फाइनल मैथमेटिक्स के ऑप्शन पेपर एडवांस डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स का अध्ययन हम इस वीडियो सीरीज में कर रहे हैं। मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक्स अपना चैप्टर चल रहा था। मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक्स के अंदर लास्ट वीडियो के अंदर एल्जेब्रा ऑफ प्रोपोजिशंस अपन ने किया था। एल्जेब्रा ऑफ प्रोपोजिशन के अंदर हमने कुछ ये नियम निकाले। देखिए, एल्जेब्रा ऑफ प्रोपोजिशन या स्टेटमेंट्स। नंबर 1, idempotent law. If P is any statement or any proposition, then P over P is always P, and P and P is also P. This is idempotent law. Second, commutative law. P and Q are two prepositions, then P and Q is equal to Q and P, and P or Q is equal to Q or P. This is the commutative. Both operations and join are commutative operations. Third one is associative. If P, Q are three prepositions, then P and Q and R is equal to P and Q and R. This is the grouping. P join Q, join R, P join Q join R. Fourth one is distributive law. P join Q and R is equal to P join Q and P join R. And P and Q join R is equal to P and Q join P and R. This is our distributive law. Fifth one, De Morgan law. Negation P join Q is equal to negation of P and negation of Q, and negation of P and Q, negation of P join negation of Q. तो ये हमने पिछले वीडियोस के अंदर देखा था। एक आइडेंटिटी लॉ और था अपने पास, ये P is any प्रोपोजिशन है, P is any proposition, and T is tautology, and F is fallacy, then P and T is always P, and P join of F is always P. This is T and P, and this is F join P. It means if P is any propositions, then P and T is always P. Means T behave like a identity element for the operation, and fallacy behave like identity element for the operation join. So these are our algebra of propositions. We have studied all the 6 rules in the last videos. आज हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स करेंगे इन पर बेस्ड, और इनसे पहले जो स्टडी कर रखी है उसके ऊपर चलिए. सर्टेन एग्जाम्पल्स. Confirm the truth value of 4 plus 6 is equal to 12, 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Here we have two statements. One statement is this P, means we can say P is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 12, and Q is another statement that is gives us 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Both are false statements, so their truth value is F. So it means P is F and Q is F here. When P is F, Q is also F. This implies P implies Q is true, and Q implies P is also true. And from both these two we get P implies and implied by Q biconditional statement is also true. This is the P biconditional statement if and only if Q is equal to P implies Q and Q implies P. So both are true, so answer is also true. Here the statement this P if and only Q, the value of the truth value of P if and only Q is T. Here P is denoted by 4 plus 6 is equal to 12, and Q denote the statement 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. So in this process you can find any truth value of any propositions algebra. And next example, this is example 1. Now example 2. Construct converse, inverse and contraposition. Of the direct statement if 4x minus 2 is equal to 10, then x is equal to 3. Here we have two statements. One is 4x minus 2 is equal to 10. So we say this is the P here. 4x minus 2 is equal to 10. And Q is another statement, that is x is equal to 3. P implies the given direct statement is if P then Q. This is our direct statement. The converse of the direct statement Here we want to converse of this statement. To converse of P implies Q. If P, then Q means P implies Q, is Q implies P. Means converse of this statement, this one, converse of one is Q implies P. Means if x is equal to 3, then 4x minus 2 is 10. This is our converse. Inverse OP implies Q is negation of P implies negation of Q. Negation of P means 4x minus 2 is 10. So show inverse of first is this one, negation of P. If 4x minus 2 is not equal to 10, then x is not equal to 3. This will be the inverse of our statements. Contraposition. OP implies Q is negation of Q implies negation of P. Negation of Q means if x is not equal to 3, Q is x equal to 3, so negation of Q x is not equal to 3, then negation of P 4x minus 2 is not equal to 10. In such a way, we can construct converse, inverse, contraposition of a direct statements or direct implication statements. Okay, next examples. If the truth value of P if and only if Q is false, then find the truth value of P join Q. So first we will see when P implies Q and implied by Q is F, वो कौन कौन सी कंडीशन है जिसके अंदर इस स्टेटमेंट की वैल्यू फॉल्स आती है, ये अपन को चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो देखिए अपन टेबल बनाते हैं. वन इज P, वन अदर इज Q स्टेटमेंट. P स्टेटमेंट के अंदर ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स इस तरह से लेते हैं हम. ट्रू false, true and false. P implies Q, true implies true, this is true, true implies false, this is false, ये false is true, this is true and this is also true. Q implies P की बात करूँ मैं, तो Q implies P, this is true, then this true, this is a true statement. This is false, then is true, this is a true statement. This is true, it's false, it means it is a false statement. True, and I think this is sorry. We will check again. Q implies P. True, true. This is true. This is false, then it is true. Okay, it's true. It's true, but it's false. It means this is false, and both are false. It is true. And this is our A, I say, and this is we say this is B. Then A and B is equal to दिस वन। तो ए एंड बी एंड से जोड़ रहे हैं इन दोनों को, तो दिस इज ट्रू, दिस वन इज फॉल्स, दिस इज फॉल्स, दिस इज ट्रू। हम कह रहे हैं कि हमारे P इफ एंड ओनली Q इज फॉल्स, तो फॉल्स इज इन दीज टू कंडीशंस। So P implies Q is F. In that case, the value of P is true, false. Then this one is false. This is false, this is true, then this is false. तो अपने काम की सिर्फ ये दो वैल्यूज काम किए। अब स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन दिस हियर कि P इफ एंड ओनली इफ Q इज फॉल्स, इन दैट केस P और Q। नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ P और Q? P और Q, दिस इज ट्रू, P और Q, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू। तो इन दैट केस P और Q, दिस implies P is F, then P join Q is true, or we can say this is a tautology. If when this is false, then it is tautology. Next examples. Now we will try to simplify some statements. Simplify the following. Number 1. First, P and Q join P. हमें इस स्टेटमेंट को सिंप्लीफाई करना है। P and Q and join P. Second, P and Q and negation of P. And third one is P join Q join negation of P. And fourth one is negation of P and Q and negation of P join Q and P और Q। इन चार स्टेटमेंट को अपन को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। चलिए सबसे पहले पहला स्टेटमेंट लेते हैं। फर्स्ट वन, P एंड Q join P। हमने जो भी अलजेब्रा यूज किया है, जो प्रॉपर्टी यूज की है, उन सबको अपन को यूज करना है। दिस कैन बी रिटन इन दिस फॉर्म, P join P एंड Q। P एंड Q एंड बीच में अपने पास join P एंड टोटोलॉजी इज इक्वल टू P, ये अपन को पता है। तो मैं इस P की जगह रिप्लेस कर देता हूं P एंड टोटोलॉजी join P एंड Q। एंड यहां हम देख रहे हैं P एंड T join P एंड Q। दिस इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ P over T join Q। P and T join Q. This is the distribution law. And this implies P and T join Q. Now T is join Q. T is tautology, and T tautology is joined by any statement is always T. And P and T, this T is the identity element. This is P. T is identity for this operation. So this statement P and Q join P is nothing but the P itself. This is an important result. The second result, we have to simplify P and Q and negation of P. P and Q join negation of P and tautology, अपन ले सकते हैं इसको, and this is nothing but the P join, P and Q and join negation of P and T. negation of P and P ले लेते हैं अपन, negation of P and P. This is the fallacy. Yes, here something is wrong in the question. Q is the contradiction. Q is fallacy. The state in the given questions, here it is also the given. Sorry. Where Q is fallacy. Q is fallacy means F. Q stands for F. Okay. Then P and Q join negation of P. P and Q. Q is fallacy, so this is fallacy. Q and negation of P. And Q is fallacy. Fallacy is and negation of P is nothing but the negation of P. So this is will be answer. इसको दोबारा चेक करते हैं अपन. P and Q negation of Q, and here given is that Q is the fallacy. So this is the Q is the fallacy, means P and Q will be Q and join by negation of P, Q and join negation P. This is the answer. Okay. And third one is, third statement is P join Q join negation of P. So we can write it negation of P join P join of Q, and by commutative law, and this can be written negation of P join P negation of Q. This is always tautology. This is T Q, and T join Q is always T. So the answer will be T, tautology. And the last statement, negation of negation P and Q and negation of P join Q and P join Q. This one. The negation of this one, here you can write it negation of negation P and negation of Q by the De Morgan law, and negation of P join Q and P join Q. This will be P join negation of Q, and this one, and here we see this is negation of P join Q and P join Q. It means this one is negation of P and P and joined by Q, distribution law. Q is distributive over the joining overend. The negation of P and P, it is always fallacy. F or Q, and either P is negation of Q. So this one is P and the negation of Q, and F joined by Q will be Q. F is a fallacy, और से जोड़ रहे हैं, Q ही रहेगा है जिससे. Now this will be distribution P over Q and negation of Q and Q. Negation of Q and Q is the fallacy. Fallacy is joined on this sentence. This will be P and Q. So this statement is equal to P and Q. In this way, we can solve we can simplify our statements. Thank you. In next video, we will study the arguments and connectivity statements, NOR and ANDs, etc. Thank you.